In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Start and then select Settings and open up the Windows 11 settings. In here, click on Apps. Inside Apps, you can see the defaults apps. So just click that one. Inside default apps, scroll down a bit and select Microsoft Edge. So Microsoft Edge is the default browser for Windows 11. So we need to change it by clicking that one and tap on HTTPS Microsoft Edge. Tap and then select Switch Anyway, then select Google Chrome. So once done, tap OK. Now we have successfully changed our default browser from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.